Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for April 14th, 2025, Part 1. Today's theme is Easter. Owen's Marshmallow Chick by Kevin Henkes. On Easter morning, Owen's basket was full. In it were jelly beans and gumdrops and buttercream eggs and a big chocolate bunny and a little marshmallow chick. Owen looked at the jelly beans. "My favorite," he said, and he ate them up. Owen looked at the gumdrops. "My favorite," he said, and he ate them up. Owen looked at the buttercream eggs. "My favorite," he said, and he ate them up. Owen looked at the chocolate bunny. "My favorite," he said, and he ate it up. Owen looked at the marshmallow chick. It was the same color as his fuzzy yellow blanket. Owen played with his chick all morning. Owen played with his chick all afternoon. At bedtime, Owen put the chick on his shelf with his best toys. "My favorite," he said, and he kissed it goodnight. The end. We're going to make paper circle peeps, kind of like the chick in the story. What you'll need is a pair of scissors. You'll need glue or a glue stick, and your Craft to Go kit includes a background with legs for the peeps, for the chicks. And you got 2 yellow circles, 2 orange triangles for beaks, and 4 stick-on googly eyes. Sorry. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to cut fringes into the circles. Now I'm doing these individually, but you can hold the circles together if you're worried about time. But you can do them as close together, as far apart as you want. Just try not to do them too slanted, or else you might cut off some of the fringes. And once you get all the way around, you're going to fluff them all up. So I'm going to go ahead and keep cutting these, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like when I fluff it up. Okay, I cut the fringe in both of them. And then we're just gonna fluff them up a bit to make them nice and fluffy little chicks, little peeps, whichever you want to call them. And we'll do the other one. And we'll put glue down and stick them on the legs. There's one. And there's 2. Then we've got to glue on the beaks, and the eyes need to be stuck on. So I'm going to put the beak down here. There's 1. Messy with the glue. Good thing it dries clear. Wipe it off as best I can. There's 2 beaks, and then we've got the eyes to do. Oops. There's 1. Two. And the other one gets 2, which makes 3. And 4 eyes. And that's all there is to it. You've got your cute little peeps with fluffy feathers. With eyes, Google.